I've already opened my Geotab in a new tab, so let's hop over there and get started. This is your GPS tracking platform where you'll be able to name your vehicles, create reports, track your vehicles, create rules, zones that your vehicles can interact with, and a whole lot more. When you log into the system for the first time, you'll be presented with the end user license agreement. Once you have agreed to that, it will take you to the product guide. By default, this is where the application opens, but in your user options, you'll be able to set it for whatever you want to have it open on.